Hello, Doctor, and hi, everyone. So, for microbiology and biochemistry in applied science video assignment, our group will present about microorganism with its azotobacter and its biochemical application in natural resources. So for the introduction part, I will explain what is it azotobacter. Azotobacter species are gram-negative bacteria found in neutral and alkaline soil, in water and contact with some plants. First discovered by microbiologist and botanist Martinus Majoring in 1901. Azotobacter, a genus of bacteria within the family Pseudomonaceae, stand as a microbial marvel with distinctive features that set it apart in the microbial world. Its significance lies in its ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen, contributing to soil fertility and plant growth. As a free-living aerobic bacterium, Azotobacter thrives in diverse environments, showcasing adaptability and metabolic versatility. So next is Azotobacter is a bacterium with a unique structure, forms disease in tough conditions, safeguarding itself with thick walls. This ability allows it to survive in harsh periods, bounce back, and when conditions improve. Its standout feature is its talent for converting atmospheric nitrogen into usable ammonia, vital for plants' growth. This enriches soil with a crucial nutrient thanks to the enzyme nitrogenase. Thriving in oxygen-rich environment, Azotobacter doesn't rely on plant roots to fix nitrogen. While it's a free-living organism, it often hangs out in the rhizosphere, influenced by plant root exudates. So this association boosts plant growth and nutrient availability.
Azotobacter bacteria are often used in nutritional flexibility. Azotobacter remarkable nutritional flexibility, utilizing various carbon sources for energy. This adaptability allows it to thrive in different ecological, contributing to its widespread distribution in soil and aquatic habitats. In addition to its role in nitrogen fixation, Azotobacter's ability to metabolize diverse carbon compounds add to its ecological significance. Not only that, it is also used in biochemical significance. Beyond its nitrogen-fixing prowess, Azotobacters engage in phosphate solubilization, enhance the availability of phosphorus for plants. Moreover, it produces enzymes such as protease, lipase, and amylase, with industrial applications ranging from waste treatment to food processing. Azotobacter bacteria are also used in application in agriculture. Azotobacter impact extends to agriculture where it is harnessed for the product of biofertilizer. Its role in promoting plant growth, nutrient availability, and disease suppression position it as a valuable ally in sustainable agricultural practice. Additionally, Azotobacter potential in bioremediation process, contributing to environmental cleanup, showcase its broader application in natural resource management. In unraveling the detail of Azotobacter biology, we uncover a microorganism of profound ecological and agricultural significance, underscoring its role as a bioresource with the potential to shape sustainable practices and environmental stewardship.
Hello, I am Muhammad Hashim bin Hassan, and today I'm gonna talk about biochemical pathway. Okay, so biochemical pathway divide into 3 points. For the first one, introduction to nitrogen fixation. 2, azotobacter nitrogen fixing ability, and sustainable agriculture. Okay, so for introduction to nitrogen fixation. Okay. Introduction to nitrogen fixation is a fundamental biochemical process crucial for sustaining life on Earth. particularly in the context of plant growth and ecosystem dynamics. So for this point, they have a process of nitrogen fixation, and also it is significant for plant growth. For plant growth, it's also important in agriculture or ecosystem nitrogen cycling. So for the second point, azotobacter nitrogen fixing ability, we focus on azotobacter unique role in nitrogen fixation. Okay, so they are divided into 6 points. For the first one, free living nature, aerobic nitrogen fixation, versatility, nitrogen enzyme, plant growth promoting effect, and contribution to soil fertility. Okay, so right now we discuss the enzyme nitrogenesis produced by azotobacter and its involvement in converting atmospheric nitrogen. So for the discussion, I have 5 points. For the first one is composition of nitrogenesis, function of nitrogenesis, sensitive to oxygen, energy requirement, and contribution to nitrogenous activity. Okay, so we move on to the third point, which is sustainable agriculture. So I have some key how about to application apply of azotobacter in sustainable agriculture. I have 6 points also, which is nitrogen fixation for the first one. Second is increase nitrogen availability, improve plant growth and yield, biofertilizer production, enhance nutrient uptake, reduce environment impact, and compatibility with organic farming. So for the discussion how to azotobacter can be used as a biofertilizer to enhance soil fertility and reduce the need for significant nitrogen fertilizer, I have 8 points for this discussion. So for the first one is nitrogen fixation, increase nitrogen availability, promotion of plant growth and yield, production of growth promoting substance, biofertilizer application method, compatibility with organic farming, environmental benefit, and contribution to soil health. So that's all from me, and I will move it to the next person. Bye.
Hi Dr. So, my name is Khairul Ahmad-Zikri bin Zainuddin. My number matric is E23A2636. As a presenter 2, I'm going to explain about how azotobacter can enhance soil fertility. First of all, azotobacter has the ability to produce azopolysaccharides. And one of it is nutrient limitation. This is because azotobacter serving as a protective mechanism because they increase EPS production in response to limited nutrient. Then for the second point, azotobacter also enhance soil health because they first of all they produce azopolysaccharide, which is this is to binding together the particle in the soil. Azotobacter also is a nitrogen fixing bacteria where they converting the atmosphere nitrogen into an ammonium, which is nitrogen that plants can absorb. Last but not least, azotobacter has different kind of application in various soil environment. For your information, azotobacter is renowned for its remarkable versatility, thriving in diverse soil environment ranging from agricultural land to natural ecosystem. For example, in flooded or waterlogged soils, azotobacter species exhibit facultative and aerobic capabilities, which is ensuring survival in oxygen-deprived condition. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Application in various soil environment. Azotobacter versatility and its potential application in different soil environment. Example, Azotobacter is well suited for sandy soil due to its ability to form resistance that protect it from adverse conditions. In clay soil, Azotobacter ability produce exposite have improved soil structure by enhancing aggregation. Azotobacter drought tolerant and ability to thrive in low moisture conditions make it suitable for arid and semi-arid regions. Azotobacter play a crucial role in crop rotation system by provide a sustainable source of nitrogen to subsequent crop. Azotobacter is often employed in organic farming system where synthetic input are minimized. In agroforestry, where trees are grown together, Azotobacter can exchange nutrients cycling by fixing nitrogen for both plant types. Azotobacter can be applied in greenhouse environment to enhance soil fertility in controlled conditions.
Ifa, do you have any proof about published paper of study case on Azotobacter?
Of course, here is the example of study case on the application of natural resources. This article about the potential use of Azotobacter cococulum in crop production published on 2013 by researchers from University of Agricultural Science and Technology in India. There are few things highlighted in this article, which is the study by Govardarica reported that 9 Azotobacter cococulum strains isolated from a Chinosome soil were found to be able to produce zinc, gibberellins, and phenols. Also, these strains has been shown to increase the length, mass, and nitrogen contents of tomato plants thanks to these nitrogen-fixing bacteria.
So, what is another proof about Azotobacter in natural resources phase? Here is a published paper around 2018.
This published paper stated that Azotobacter provide long-term fertilizing effect of organic amendments and the potential increase in nitrogen fixation.
As we know already before, Azotobacter is being studied for nitrogen fixation and works effectively on growth, right? To study about this case more, there is a published paper responding on how Azotobacter works as biofertilizer towards the growth of onion. Here is a published paper about the effect of Azotobacter on growth and yield of onion. Here are the statistics shown about the effect of Azotobacter but in different doses with different forms of reaction. These different doses of Azotobacter as presented in table has shown that Azotobacter works positively as biofertilizer and increases yield parameter of onion.
So for the conclusion for this video assignment, Azotobacter has a big impact on managing natural resources. It's a special bacteria with rounded cell and protective sheaths that help a lot. One important thing it does is fixing nitrogen, which makes soil better for plants to grow. It's really good at surviving in different places, which make it super useful. Besides fixing nitrogen, Azotobacter also help recycle nutrient by breaking down phosphate. Its enzymes are handy in industries like waste treatment and food processing. In farming, Azotobacter reduces the need of artificial fertilizer, which is great for the environment. This bacterium is like a trailblazer in managing natural resources. It might be tiny, but its work with nitrogen and its impact on farming and the environment show how much a single microorganism can affect our ecosystem in a big way. So on this occasion, on behalf of my group, I would like to thank Dr. Su for teaching us well this semester. Thank you, Doctor.